Karen Gerber here with Graphic 45, and my project for the month was to up-level a previous Graphic 45 kit. I have chosen the Mon Amour Quad Folio interactive album. I followed most of the album until about step 4. I just switched out a couple papers to suit my style. And then on the inside of the album, starting on step 5, I'm going to show you what I did. So to start off with, I did wrap seam binding around the entire album so I would have a tight closure before putting on my cover paper and my back paper. So I did that. And then I also put in a brad here. I want to be able to hang or dangle some of the chipboard pieces that also came in the kit. I think that would be kind of cool to hang from there. So opening up the album, so far what I've done is I've added a belly band. I wrapped this 4x6 around the belly band so I can tuck some images in there. And then on the first inside, I have created a waterfall. And there are 7 photo mats in here to add some photos. And I'm going to show you how I did that. Over here. So to get started, you will need to cut a paper to match that for your background. And that's going to be our background, but before we do that, I want to attach a ribbon closure. So I've got 2 pieces of seam binding here, and one's going to go on the top and one is going to go on the bottom. So for the 2 centers, I wanted to create a pocket that I could tuck things into. So I cut a piece of black cardstock measuring